Hi there guys and girls, good evening. We're here in Rizal Park. Tita Lot, we are supposed to watch a movie but time didn't permit us because we had to finish our mass there in St. Raphael Church. So the mass lasted at 7:20. So I asked the ticketing if we can reschedule for tomorrow and they granted. That's why. So we had a little picnic. Want to have some nachos. This is a free nachos given by the cinema, Bichara Cinema, and we have here a juice. I'm over here guys and girls. So we're gonna watch tomorrow. Tingin-tingin kayo rito. Salita-salita.
Hello. Guys.
No? Sige, lakasan ang boss mo. Rizal Park. Speak up. Oy.
Hello.
Salita-salita. Usog kayo, usog nga kayong dalawa rito. Speak up.
Hello guys.
Ano? Okay?
Ano na pagkain? O, nagkumakain ako.
Oh, last na. Oy, magano na kayo magsalita na kayo dalawa dyan, oh. Magsalita na kayo maano na to. Salita kayo kung anong gusto nyo isalita. My God, kailan pa ba turuan?
Yan, nagkukwenta ako.
Ano na, sayang ng ano, oh. Magsalita na kayo para ma-stop ko na to. Louder your voice. Ano daw?
Na-delay. Na-delay. Na-delay for watching today, tonight.
Na-reschedule.
Kaya na-reschedule, na-delay. Na-reschedule kami kasi na-late kami dahil magsimba kami.